Unearth the surprising past of watermelons. Once they boasted swirly patterns and a bitter taste. Through centuries of cultivation, we've transformed these fruits into the sweet red delights we savor today. Now let's ascend to the clouds. They may appear light, but don't be fooled. Your average cumulus cloud tips the scales at an astounding 1.1 million pounds. Yet spread over such an immense volume, they effortlessly float above us. Lastly, marvel at the extraordinary hummingbird. Unique among their avian counterparts, these tiny powerhouses are the only birds that can fly backwards, and even upside down, thanks to their special wing structure. Now that's impressive.